iPhone won't turn on? CoraRadar got you covered. Maybe your iPhone turns off all of a sudden and then won't turn on at all. Perhaps your iPhone is not turning on with a black screen and doesn't respond or charge. Worry not. Here we'll introduce 7 free troubleshooting steps to fix iPhone not turning on issues. Step 1. Force restart your iPhone. Press some button combinations to force turn off your iPhone and then turn it back on. This won't delete your data. Step 2. Charge your iPhone. Wait at least 15 to 30 minutes and see if your iPhone turns on. Step 3. Take out a SIM card. Step 4. Remove screen protector and phone case. Step 5. Update the iPhone using a computer. Remember to put iPhone into recovery mode to update the system. Step 6. Factory reset iPhone using a computer. Note that everything will be deleted. Step 7. Ask help from an Apple technician. For more details for the troubleshoot tips, tap the video link at the bottom.